Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be detailed reviewing the prop from Optimal Traders. So from starting from the Trustpilot reviews, we can see that we have a 4.4 rating of excellent reviews on Optimal Traders. This proves that they are paying the traders without any issues. If I scroll down, we can see that the reviews are so professional, very professional, help around quick payouts, very happy with the service. If I scroll down further, you can see that I trade, I got paid. No silly denial of the payout, no disappointment on the payout date. Optimal Traders are slapping the prop firm industry. So the prop firm itself is so solid, the business model is so solid. Why this business model is so solid, I will be explaining why. So I am on the website of Optimal Traders. They have three models on their website. The first model you can call it as a normal model, two-step challenge. This is a non-HFT challenge. So this makes this firm out of context with the other firms because they have offers three different models along with the one-step HFT model as well. The main concern about as a trader is the stabilization of the prop firm, how legit is the prop firm and how long that prop firm will survive. So this model looks so promising to me. So if we see the two-step model, we can see that they have up to 200k size on that two-step model. You can see that here. Or if we consider the one-step model, that is we are mostly interested in, we see that they have also 200k up to that account as well. So the profit target on that account is 10%, and on the challenge phase and also the live account they have no profit target. And for the time limit, they have unlimited days on the challenge and on the live account as well. But there is no concern about the limit of days on the HFT prop firm. You know that we can easily pass that prop firm challenge in 1 to 2 days. If you are interested to get funded with the Optimal Traders, I am here to pass your challenges for free, but this offer is valid for only limited time, so get that offer as soon as possible. If I scroll down, you can see that there is a daily drawdown of 4%, and on the live account there is also a 4% daily drawdown. The maximum drawdown is 8% on the challenge account as well as on the live accounts. The minimum trading days is 0 days on the challenge and the 5 minimum trading days on the live account. So you have to trade at least 5 days on your funded account in order to be eligible for the payout. Let's go to the profit share section. You can see that they have no cross on the challenge, and yes, they are paying the 50% split for the first payout you will get on the Optimal Trader. That will be 50% of your split. The second payout will be 70% and the third payout will be 80%. This is the most attractive thing I have seen on the HFT prop firm alongside. So the first payout you will get after 30 days, the second payout you will get after 14 days, and the third payout you will get after 14 days. Also, one thing I have to tell you that they have 6% of their profit cap. So this is very interesting and attractive thing if we consider it as a HFT prop firm. They are allowing you to make $6,000 on your funded account of 100k. That is enormous. For example, you have made $6,000 on your 100k funded account. That will just cost you $590. That will be worth of your investment. You will get 3x of your share, not 3x, I think 6x of your investment get back into your bank accounts. If you just follow the simple consistency rules of Optimal Traders, you can get easily 50 to 70% split easily. So moving to their consistency rule, the most important rule they have is the 40% on the funded phase applies to the traders who pass the first phase evaluation with Algo via HFT. So this rule, I will explain this rule in a simplest manner. For example, on your 100k you have made $1,000 profit. You have made $1,000 of your profits with 5 trades. You took 5 trades, made $1,000 profit. None of your trades should be equal to $400 or more than $400 of your profits. For example, trade 1 made $300 profits. Trade 2 you took $350 profits, then loss, then profit, then loss, then profit. Overall, on 5 trades, you will be not violation the rule of 40%, that is $400. All of your trades, 5 trades is less than, each trade is less than $400 profits. That is the simplest way of explaining that 40% rule. If I scroll down, there you go. The consistency rules. The simplest consistency rules in my book is to keep the lot size same. This will give you advantage of managing your risk as well. For example, I am trading with lot size of 3 on gold with the 40 pip stop loss, with risking around 1.2% per account. My 1.2% per trade on my account, that will be $1,200 per trade to make a $1,200. I'm just giving you examples, random examples to explain each rule by giving each example separately. Do not compare the examples or link the example, you will get confused. Each example is different for each rule, so that you will understand how the consistency rule will work and you will not breach that rule when you get to your payouts. If I scroll down, the profit split is also mentioned, which is 70%, 50% first, 70% second, then the 80%. That will be after the 2 to 3 payouts, the profit cap will be removed. That will mean you can make up to any money you want to do. If I scroll down, the most important stage, the funded stage. The 5 minimum trading days you have to trade on your funded accounts. Lot consistency rules I have explained. Profit consistency rules I have already explained. Profit cap rules I have already explained. If I scroll down, one rule I also want to explain you guys. There is no martingale allowed, there is no grid allowed. So you cannot place more than two trades on a single pair on the single time. You have to keep that in your mind. That will be breach your accounts, or you will not be eligible for the payouts. At the time of the payout, if you are doing grid trading, martingales, like you are placing multiple trades, well, even if you are in the negative, you will be gone. You are allowed only up to to place up to 2 trades on a single pair at a single time. Also, a lot of you guys get confused about the lot consistency rules. Here I'm explaining that. For example, you have placed 3 lot on gold, then you want to place another 3 lot within 3 minutes. That if you place another 3 lot within 3 minutes, that will consider as a single lot. That will consider as a 6 lot. If you put the gap of at least 3 minutes between the trades, then it will consider as an individual trade of 3 lot. Otherwise, it will consider as 6 lot, and it will also calculate as a profit of, for example, if you have made $100 $1,000 on 6 lots, then consider as a single trade. That will affect your consistency rule. So always keep your trades 3 minutes apart if you want to open 2 positions. It is I also recommended to place at least 1 trade at a time. Keep that trade running. Do not overtrade your challenging account, otherwise you will lose it. If I scroll down, we can see that the drawdown is already explained. The leverage is 1 to 33, which is more than enough. The max allocation is 400k. I'm max allocated with the optimal traders. Let's get into the dashboard of my funded accounts. You can see that this is my first funded account. I have just started place the trade so that it will get running. I will also be showing from day 1 to like a funded stage to a payout proof of optimal traders from these accounts. I will try my best to make profit on that account, so that I will show you guys that these firms are here to stay. This firm has a sustainable business model. If I show you my first funded account, let's see. You can see that I have made around $3,000 profits right now on my funded account. I have took 17 trades, and these are my average RR, but that is not, I think, not in context. My win rate is around 80%. You see that my balance curve, I got around $4,000 profit, then losing streak start, then I get back to 195, then to $5,000, $3,000 profits again. So this is the trade history, and here you can withdraw your profits. You can see that this is my second funded account and this is my first funded account. I am eligible for $1,500 payout, but I will try my best to bring that account up to $7,000 so that I will follow the consistency rule of 40% because my maximum trade and the highest trade is $2500 on that particular account. So I have to follow the consistency rules. In order to follow the consistency rules, I have to make the $7,000 at least profit on that funded account. This is because of me. I want to maximize the profit on my funded accounts. So yes guys, this is it for this video. If you like that video, please smash that like button. Must join my free Telegram. The link is in the description. If you want to trade live with me, you can join my live trading room. The link is also in the description. I will be trading Nasdaq and analyzing gold and GJ on my live trading room every day, Monday to Friday, 9:20 AM New York time. See you guys in the next video.